Today I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio Code on your Chrome OS. So first you have to go to settings, and in settings you have to enable Linux. Once you enable Linux, you go to the Chrome OS Visual Studio Code download for Linux. You download the Linux file, Ubuntu, and just download it in My Downloads. Why not? Once the download is done, you right click on it and you say install with Linux. Then you click on install. I already have it installed, so I'm not going to install it. Once you do that, you'll have it on your list of software. So if I go here and I write and I look for Linux softwares, I'll find it right here. I think it's right, Visual Studio Code. Oh, sorry, that's the Visual Studio Code. There you go. Thank you for watching.